Namaskar. Today, I am going to speak to you about how rice flour can give you natural glowing and bright skin dullness, uneven tone, pigmentation, excess oil. All these are signs that your skin is overloaded. Pollution particles that are 20 times smaller than your pores, overloaded by harsh soaps, treatments, and constant touching of the face, and overloaded by internal heat or pitta caused by stress, late nights, and spicy food. Studies also show that nearly 70% of premature skin aging in Indian cities is because of environmental exposure and not because of age itself. When you ignore these factors, your skin slowly loses its glow. Your skin barrier becomes weak. And when you do exfoliation by using chemicals, but also the natural protective lipids, this is why you need to use rice flour for your skin. Rice has been used in Indian households for skin care for centuries, especially in South and East of India. Interestingly, the same wisdom appears in other traditional cultures too. In Korea, where glass skin is popular, women have long used rinses and masks made from rice water and rice powder. So now let me tell you how to use rice flour on your skin. Take 1 tablespoon of fine rice flour, mix with raw milk, rose water, or aloe gel. Apply gently without rubbing. Let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes, not more, and massage slightly before washing off. Use it once or twice a week, preferably in the evening. For those with sensitive skin, rice water or water left after soaking rice is even gentler and very nourishing. Although rice flour is good for your skin, don't use it daily because overuse of anything can cause imbalance. Avoid coarse or unfiltered flour and don't scrub too hard. Always moisturize slightly with coconut oil or ghee after washing. Now let's understand how rice flour helps your skin. Firstly, it does gentle exfoliation. Rice flour particles are smooth and fine. Unlike walnut or apricot scrubs, they do not cause micro tears. This helps remove dead cells while protecting your skin barrier. Secondly, rice contains niacin or vitamin B3, which supports even skin tone. Studies also show that niacinamide improves dullness and pigmentation with a healthy cells turnover. Thirdly, rice flour absorbs excess sebum without drying your skin. It maintains the oil balance and keeps your skin pores open. This is especially helpful for combination and oily skin. Lastly, you get natural UV support. Rice bran contains compounds like ferulic acid, which has antioxidant properties. While it is not a sunscreen, it supports your skin against oxidative stress caused by sunlight. From an Ayurvedic viewpoint, rice is sheetal or cooling in nature. It reduces pitta, which causes redness, acne marks, and uneven color. And one important point, what you eat matters as much as what you apply. Rice flour outside cannot compensate for dehydration and poor digestion inside. For better skin glow, I suggest drink enough water, especially before noon. Take soaked almonds, seasonal fruits, and simple home food. Do gentle yogic practices like Shitali Pranayam, which helps cool excess heat and allow your skin to breathe. Reduce heavy makeup whenever possible. When lifestyle becomes simpler, your skin responds quickly. Remember, glowing skin is not about becoming fairer or even younger. It is about becoming balanced. Nature has always provided solutions, and rice flour is one such gift. It works slowly, steadily, and safely, just like yoga. Namaskar.